Just talking.
What? No, but bro, I was over-informing.
Okay.
Why did you need to do that? No, but why did you do that?
Don't talk to me.
Why?
Guess what? You just think, guys.
No, don't
We
tell me.
filmed a 15-minute video.
13-minute video.
13-minute
It's
video.
because of you, because
And
you're
then
ugly.
the whole video was blurred. I told him, look at the
Like
video.
the thing didn't focus. I love it's not focusing.
That was
now.
a quiet video, me bro. What to do?
I did nothing, my bro.
No, bro. I told you, look at the video. You said, it's alright.
It's alright, man. It's alright. Here's another video. Hey
It's
guys,
not gonna be as quiet as the other one.
wait. Hey guys,
Alright,
bro, wait.
Okay.
Calm down.
Make the thing. Just make the thing.
Hey guys, your favorite cut, boys.
Back with the
Bro, is that energy?
Oh,
We can't sort of like
lose
this.
all my energy, Aya, because what you do.
I'm gonna start again from bring the energy back. No? Take my hand.
Come on, guys. Let's do it.
Hey guys, your favorite cut.
Tambos.
Nah, gaan niet van jou, bro.
Guess what? We back.
We're back with the brand new act. We're back with the sneak attack.
Guess. Okay. This is the story why we ended the video.
the channel. Not the channel, bro.
Basically, Indro die go to Dubai apparently. And then you see my house is not gonna be fun enough.
I went to South Africa, man.
And then apparently he's been drinking alcohol, he's been talking, he's been smoking, and he has a girlfriend now. Tell us what you got.
Yo, my girlfriend is sexy. Do you know what's her name? You're like she's sexy. Like, yo.
I'm not gonna say anything about this girlfriend, guys.
Why?
Because I respect the woman.
Because I did more than in the other video. Almost eating half it out.
Never happened.
The clip is gonna play now.
Never happened. Never ever happened.
But bro, but
Me personally, that will never happen to me. But anyway, guys.
on a serious note, you know who's my girlfriend? Samir. Yes. Nakan. My bro, my beard.
Guys, any like this beard.
New beginnings. New videos, new beginnings.
New beginnings.
Yeah, guys, on a serious note, we will be posting every Friday. Get your data ready, get your mommy's eyes, your
Get your
daddy's
Wi-Fi's
eyes.
eyes.
Wi-Fi's
Get
eyes.
your Wi-Fi, pay your Wi-Fi every month.
Every
If you want to
month?
watch our videos, just call me and say
Wait, I think he didn't subscribe. Or she.
10 minutes.
10 seconds, my bro.
Seconds.
You gonna count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No. We can't do 6, 7 anymore. This all stuff. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But
Guys,
I still
I don't
don't think that it's subscribed.
I'm dyslexic.
Can we count to 2.5?
2.5.
1, 2, 2.5.
1, 2, 2.5.
Oh, you're supposed to say 3 and a
3.5, bro. Make that make
3,
sense.
4, 9.
If you have a fifth of a sugar, what are you gonna do to that fifth of the sugar? You're gonna make it into a full 50 sugar of the sugar.
What are you saying, Aya?
Technical.
Okay,
Technical
now the
grade.
real reason is clearly I am grade 12, guys. That's the real reason why we did call. I'm grade 12. He said we must focus on. He said we must focus on our schoolwork. He's currently grade 2. He was going to grade 3.
You get it right actually that time? Yes, family.
I'm matric now. It's not family, it's filmy.
Film me.
We're matric. I'm matric now. I'm matric now. And I wanna focus my finals.
Can we do this on a public platform, bro? Touch it.
Oh,
Can we do it on a public platform?
shit.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Aqua.
I'm busy with my finals, guys.
Aqua.
Actually, I leave school. I'm working now at petrol
Who do
station.
you work?
Petrol
It's
station.
a petrol jockey.
Yes, sir. I'm the one that increased the petrol prices.
Sorry, no, I can't drive my car. Because I don't even petrol left. Because the petrol is expensive.
Did you not say you can't drive your girl?
Because I don't have petrol. Remember the petrol is in
Oh, wait.
the petrol is in station. In place and you see, he did that on camera.
Oh, you're a clown ass, man. Stop this.
I'm a lighting.
Stop this.
I'm a lighting.
Oh, you know you already 8 years old. Relax. Oh,
Bro, I'm not 8 years old.
relax
Bro.
yourself.
Grade 1, you're 6 years old. I'm 7 years old. I'm 8 years old. 8 years old.
Yo, now the video's not gonna be quiet anymore.
But on a serious note, guys, we're posting every Friday. Wait, didn't I say that already?
Posting every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday, every Monday,
Don't-
Tuesday,
don't
Wednesday,
lie.
Thursday, Thursday, Friday.
Guys, get ready for bangers.
Guys,
Get ready.
we're gonna do collabs this year.
Yo, guys,
we're
this is
collabing with Brighter Squad, Sidemen, EB the Kid,
Face Rag.
Face Rag, Kaiser Net, ISO Speed.
Yes, sis.
Who
The
says no?
Meyer.
Yeah, the
Mr. Meyer. Yo, Mr.
Mr.
Meyer, let's get us in
Meyer.
the podcast, man. Nah,
And then we still gonna collab with
certified kids.
Certified Kids. We're gonna collab
Tempo
with
Boys.
Temple Boys, Tim Kenny.
Homeboys.
Who's famous from other countries?
Face Rag.
You already say Face Rag.
Mr. Beast.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, yes. If you can guess, what was the thing again?
If you can guess if you can see, I'm gonna leave a code there on the screen somewhere.
No, that's the wrong one. If you can guess how old me and Jaden is each separately, and then you can
ask me.
then you can win 1 million rand, a car,
a house,
a house,
a dog,
a video with Mr. Beast,
and a video with
an
Captain
iPhone
Boys.
19, and a PS6,
And a video with the Captain
and a
Boys.
copy of GTA 6.
And a copy of Samir. Can play Samir.
And
But how you doing, man?
you only have to like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, turn on post notifications.
And subscribe to our Instas.
Yes, and then only have to do is do that all that stuff. Guess my age, guess Jaden's age, and
Once you don't know my name,
guess Indro's age, guys. Then you can win all that stuff.
but we'll give
$1 million, not rand, dollars.
dollars. Wow, we can come to South Africa, then you're rich.
Yes, sir.
But how you doing, man?
Me personally, no. Life, it's just life.
Why is life alive?
How can I complain about life?
Antivirus. Anita virus.
I
Always when we freaking found in the cars, want to drive past the freaking house, my bro.
talk about hantavirus, aya.
Hunter virus. What do you think? What impact can
Bro,
that
you're
can
gonna die, aya. Oh, that's the next coronavirus,
Nah,
aya.
that's coronavirus is a flu. I heard that today. My teacher said that.
Oh, they say coronavirus was a small percent, but this is a big percent, aya.
But nobody got it yet.
My bro, the people is in South Africa with this stuff,
But
aya.
bro, it's about it. They on the
But
boat.
there's people, they did find people in South Africa, they have the virus also.
Wat gaan die kan krijgen? Are we gonna get it?
It's in Western Cape. What if they come here with the boat and then they stick us on?
But I'm strong, but you must walk.
Yes, sir.
Look here, we was walking in the road, man. Now there's two dogs come. The dogs want to chase for us.
Yes,
So here's my so.
listen, yo. He has
The dogs run.
He has a dog, but he's scared of other dogs.
Bro, it's two freaking big ass dogs. Man. What
But
is
you
supposed
must,
to do?
if you're gonna act scared, now they're gonna bite you.
But did I ex-kid? Did they come for me?
Yes, my bro, you
Yeah,
didn't
then you
jump
went,
on the
"Ooh."
duck, aya.
Oh,
You didn't jump on the duck, aya.
How much fun you got,
Oh, that's old stuff, aya.
Boek my pad to extra available for
Hey,
Sarah.
guys.
If you say full melody, if who's Costa Amba saying that's a fan of me.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna be making a song coming out with Drake and Kendrick
Iceland.
Lamar and
Whoop, 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 whoop. Let me do my stuff. And you start
And we're gonna be doing
a minor. Okay.
we have a girlfriend and 20 years old.
I'm not
Why
tired.
acting like this? Coronas, man.
Why even new jacket, man? Is this your third jacket, man?
That's my only jacket that I had.
I know you lost the other jacket.
Even the other jacket is stay in my house.
Why?
Because for me. Anyway, guys,
Look
welcome
here
to the
now.
beginning of the video.
Look here now.
Today we're gonna be talking about
Wait. Look here now. You spell Y now. W-H-Y now. Then you can say Y now, but you don't hear the W. But when you say Y, then you don't hear the W. So it's actually a single metaphor of the alphabet Y.
what do you say, man?
How do you spell Y?
Wow, what do you say?
Don't you understand me? As I write it on the page.
Why?
But look,
Oh,
Joanna,
Now, why is it called W?
we?
Why is it called W?
Because it's a double me.
Oh, wait, what do you say, me,
W.
bro?
How do you spell W?
W is one letter.
But how do you spell it?
You can't spell it, Aya. It's a letter. How can you spell a letter?
But still, my bro, just think about it. How do you spell in?
You can't spell a letter, my bro. It's one letter.
I know.
Now, what do you say?
I don't go to school, that's why I'm so stupid.
Oh, you grade 2, I forgot.
Yeah, I'm right too, my brother. Do you think that the
Okay,
Americans understand us?
N you spell A-N. It's how you spell it.
But do you think the Americans understand our slang?
No Americans also have it.
Nah, you saw that percentage, my brother. 45, my brother.
My bro, they said 0.5 people watch our videos.
Yo, but do you think not even our own people watch our videos?
Because, no?
I love follows, man. What's that song from Salele? I love follows, what?
Stop promoting.
But what's the song now? Not Alaitos. Alaitos! I love follows. Maak ko sa video. I skype down op your post.
There's not even those are lately.
I know. But what is that thing? Alas ka na! Of course, me, alas ka na.
I don't know that song. Just end the video at this point.
You're not my friend.
What are you doing with your life? Just end
I love the thing wasn't recording, my brother.
Oh, listen what I say. Say, listen.
Sorry, it's on my fault.
Listen now, oi.
Trek zo my fault.
Listen.
Trek zo my fault. What?
Don't let me now laugh in front of your girlfriend.
What?
Listen.
Wat gaan zij maken? Zeg van mij, wat gaan zij
Yeah, I
maken?
wanna kiss me.
Wat gaan zij maken? Ik wil jou zien. Yo!
Listen here.
Wat gaan zij maken?
Why is that thing?
Shit.
Oh.
Als ik bang ben, Als ik bang ben.
Listen here.
Als ik bang ben. Als ik bang Als ik bang ben jou.
Listen here, guys.
Als ik bang ben jou, man. Kom, fight mij nou. Moor mij. Moor mij.
Serious.
Maar ze blurred toen, maar ze bliepen.
You know what? How if the video is again like this, my bro? Welcome back to the
end of the video with your boy Jaden, aka
Marcus. For me.
No, pero is naam Marcus.
Every video, my name is gonna change. My name is Marcus this video.